cat food has arrived, and my cat is waiting. So I'll just show you the wet food in can and the medicine I buy. And so here's my cat waiting for the food. Actually, they are eating already, but they want another one because they saw the cat food in can. So as you can see, they're eating, and if you're wondering why the other cats has no plate, because they don't like eating in a plate. And here's Sponge and Beth Harmon. Oh, Tanchang is eating. Oh, my cat is eating there. And the upstairs they don't like to eat on the plate. And here's Ringo. He is a shy type and traumatic cat. I don't know why.